The first thing you'll want to do is open your browser and head straight to Vizard AI to get your content engine started. I know there are a bunch of Chrome extensions and little tools that promise to summarize your videos, and they're fine if you just need a quick blurb. But if you're serious about turning one long recording into an entire month of social media content without drowning in manual editing, Vizard is the tool I'd start with. Here is exactly how I use it. First, I drop one long YouTube video or a raw video file directly into the Vizard dashboard. The system automatically pulls the transcript and starts scanning the footage for those hidden gems. That is the real magic because it finds the specific moments people react to, like the punchlines or the insights that make viewers pause and replay. Once the analysis is finished, you get a grid of potential clips that are actually worth posting. Vizard's AI picks moments that preserve the energy, ensuring the clips feel human rather than like a robotic cut. From there, I can quickly trim, preview, and tag those clips to keep my library organized by category. Tagging is key, so label your clips as quotes, how-to tutorials, or stories to make repurposing way less chaotic later on. Now, here is a trick I use all the time. I copy the transcript snippet and paste it into the AI prompt window right inside the app. I ask for social-ready formats, like creating 10 punchy quote captions for founders building a personal brand. Vizard gives you short, sticky lines that read like they were written by a friend who is also a pro marketer. It marries the two steps, text generation plus video timing, which saves me hours of manual labor. I also ask Vizard to organize my quotes into a content calendar so I have a clear plan for the next few weeks. I set the cadence, like 3 posts per week, and define the vibe for each day, such as Monday motivation or Friday behind the scenes. Vizard's built-in scheduler lets you queue content across platforms, so you don't have to jump between 5 different apps. The auto-schedule feature is huge because it respects your posting windows, so you don't accidentally spam your audience. If you want to get specific, tell Vizard exactly who your prospects are in your prompt, like founders looking to scale their business. Now the captions read differently because they are sharper, strategic, and designed to spark actual comments. Vizard learns the context from your transcript, which means your messaging is always tailored to your specific target audience. One of my favorite features is telling the AI to create platform-specific content, like LinkedIn carousels or Instagram quotes. You can even ask for a 10-slide LinkedIn carousel based on a specific transcript, and it will outline the title slide and the CTA slide. Vizard maps your text to timestamps and suggests the exact clip that backs up each slide, which is a massive time saver. Some other auto editors are way too expensive or force you into rigid templates that just don't match your brand voice. Vizard sits in the sweet spot, offering affordability and flexibility for creators who actually care about the tone of their content. Back to the workflow. I use the content calendar view to drag and drop posts into new dates if my schedule changes. If a clip feels too long, I just ask Vizard to shorten it to 20 seconds while keeping the hook intact. That is vital because platform norms differ, and you need a fast hook for TikTok, while LinkedIn can handle a bit more conversation. Use the repurpose mode to point Vizard to one long interview and ask for 30 short clips categorized by theme. You'll end up with a balanced feed that doesn't feel repetitive because you can filter clips by energy level or topic. Vizard also hooks into your performance metrics, so over time, it learns what resonates with your specific audience. Some editors make stocky, overproduced cuts that scream advertisement, but Vizard preserves the authentic human cadence. My advice is to let it cut the first pass, then scan for tone and keep the little bits where you sound like a real person. Don't be afraid to add constraints, like telling the AI to include a question in every caption to drive more replies. The AI responds really well to these directions, making the output immediately usable without requiring hours of rewriting. Finally, I schedule the posts, let Vizard publish automatically, and check back weekly to tweak the performance. That recycling is a real growth hack because one long video becomes dozens of pieces of content that truly feel human. Go test it yourself. Upload one video, let the AI find the clips, and schedule a week's worth of content in under an hour. It keeps your voice real, saves you massive amounts of time, and gives you a consistent content engine that actually scales. If you want, in the next video, I'll show you exactly how I turn these quotes into Canva-ready carousels and how I tweak thumbnails. Trust me, once you see how many clips you can generate from a single hour-long talk, you will never look at content the same way again.